Content Samurai is an intelligent web-based video creation system that allows you to produce high-quality content videos, video sales letters, and even viral videos in minutes, completely from scratch and all without you ever having to leave your web browser. Videos like this that are capable of generating millions of views, killer search engine rankings, and torrents of online traffic. Let me show you how it works. If you've ever wanted to create videos before, but didn't know how or where to begin, you're going to love this.
Today we're launching a game-changing new feature in Content Samurai that will help you create videos for your business faster and more easily than ever before. You see, when it comes to creating videos, one of the biggest problems for a lot of people is recording a good quality voice track. If you're self-conscious or you hate the sound of your own voice, recording audio can be a massive stumbling block. Also, if English is not your first language or you have a heavy accent, it can be really hard to get your message across. This often means that you give up before you even get started. That's why today, we're thrilled to be launching this brand new feature into Content Samurai. Introducing Auto Voice.
My name is Heidi and I'm one of the 14 new automated voices in Content Samurai. Together we can slash the time it takes you to make videos. All you have to do is drop in your script, click your mouse a few times and you're done. There are 7 male voices, and 7 female voices to choose from.
And you can select an American, English or an Australian voice. We look forward to helping you create your videos.
If you're not familiar with Content Samurai, or it's been a while since you last tried the app, let me give you a quick rundown and show you the new Auto Voice feature in action. Content Samurai is a web-based video creation platform that uses the power of artificial intelligence to take all the hard work out of creating videos. Using Content Samurai, you can now create social media videos, content videos, sales videos, and online course videos in minutes rather than days. Even if you've never created a video before. I know that's a bold claim, so let me show you exactly how this works. Here I am on the Content Samurai dashboard. To get started, I'm going to come up here and click the Create a New Video button. Now on the template screen, I can choose from a wide range of gorgeous templates. For this example, I'm going to switch to the square templates and choose the Viral Buzz template, which is perfect for social media. So I'll just come across here and click Use this template. Now on the script screen, I can type a name for my video and then drop in my script. Then I'll come down here and click the Create Slides button. And here is where Content Samurai unleashes the power of artificial intelligence. Did you see what just happened? Because if you blinked, you might have missed it. First, Content Samurai broke my script up into separate slides. Then it analyzed each sentence and used natural language algorithms to figure out what each slide was about. Next, it automatically found relevant images to illustrate each slide. Content Samurai has also added motion to my images, bolded text to create a secondary reading path, animated my text, and applied transitions between my slides. And all this happened with a single click of my mouse. Compared to systems that make you create each slide by hand, this is a massive time saver. Also, if I want to add video clips, I can do that too. All I have to do is click the Uploads tab, choose Clips, and then hit the Upload Video button. I can then find my clips and click Open. When my clips have uploaded, I can then add them to my video. First, I'll add an intro clip by clicking the Add Video Clip icon and choosing my intro. I can also add clips to the background of my slides, like this. So I'll scroll through and add a few clips as I go. And then I can click the Add Voice Track button. Now here's where I get to show you the brand new feature we're launching today, which is Auto Voice. As you can see, Content Samurai gives you 4 voice track options. You can create a music-only video, record your own voice track in the app, upload a pre-recorded voice track, or choose to use Auto Voice. When I choose Auto Voice, I can then select from a library of 14 different artificially intelligent voices. There are 6 American voices, 4 English voices, and 4 Australian voices to choose from. For this example, I'll choose the default voice and click the preview button. And here I am on the preview screen. Content Samurai has already chosen a background music track for me, so I can now simply preview my video. When I'm happy, I can click the Looks Good, Continue button. And finally, all I have to do is click Generate. And download. So there you have it. With just a few clicks of my mouse, and in less than 5 minutes, I've created a video that's ready to publish to my website, YouTube, or Facebook. Let's now watch and listen to the finished video.
Do you want something quick and easy for dinner? But don't want to spend all week in the gym working off the calories? Giuseppe's Pizza is now offering a brand new range of healthy choice menu items. Try our healthy pizzas with toppings including spinach, roasted pumpkins, corn, sweet potato, sautéed onions, freshly sliced tomato, and low-fat feta cheese. All pizzas are available on a low-carb thin crust base or a gluten-free base. If you're wanting something lighter, grab a zesty lemon quinoa salad. And for those of you with a sweet tooth, try one of our delicious low-fat desserts. Home delivery is available on all orders over $20. Call us now on 888-762-900 and order a tasty guilt-free dinner for you and your family tonight.
As you can see, by utilizing the power of artificial intelligence, Content Samurai is without a doubt the fastest way to create videos for your business. But you might be wondering, what kind of videos can I create? Well, since we launched Content Samurai, users just like you have published over 151,000 videos. So let's take a look at how people are using the app. Frankie Soroka is using Content Samurai to build his video freelancing business on Fiverr.com. He charges his clients between $5 and $50 per video, and is able to create these videos in a matter of minutes. Fabrizio Fujikawa is using Content Samurai to work with small businesses and turn their best blog posts into videos. His best performing video has now had over 4,922,000 views on Facebook and has been shared over 141,000 times. Anthony Millstone from Blue Sky Consultants is using Content Samurai to create property listing videos and single property websites for realtors in the UK. Doug Ison is using the watermark feature of Content Samurai to create fantastic promotional videos for his local business clients. And Kylie Daniel is using Content Samurai to create her Hypno Sugar Health online course, and has found that Content Samurai slashes the time it takes to create great course content. As you can see, Content Samurai is by far the most versatile video creation platform available on the market today. And it's the only platform in the world to offer this new cutting-edge one-click auto voice technology for your videos. In fact, Content Samurai makes the video creation process so easy that most people now find that the trickiest part is writing the script for their videos. So to help you eliminate this obstacle once and for all, we also want to give you our battle-tested Video Traffic Blueprint Pack. This is a collection of 5 fill-in-the-blank video script templates that will help you write short, sharp, punchy video scripts even if you have zero copywriting experience. First, there's the listicle template that will help you to produce traffic-pumping videos using the exact same formula as YouTube's most successful channels like BuzzFeed, WatchMojo, and Top Trending. Next, there's the question and answer template that allows you to create Q&A videos that are a great way to unlock secret backdoors that lead directly onto the front page of Google. Then there's the killer content video template, which takes all the complexity out of writing well-structured, concise content that your audience will love, appreciate, and share. Next comes the video newsletter template that allows you to rapidly grow your audience by creating a short weekly wrap-up video for your industry or niche. And finally, there's the product review template, which gives you a rock-solid, repeatable formula for generating automated affiliate income as a trusted advisor to shoppers around the world. All you have to do is select a template, answer the step-by-step questions, and in next to no time, you'll have a finished video script ready to drop into Content Samurai. As you know, we now live in a world that demands video. In fact, video generates over 70% of all web traffic. This means that if you're not using video in your business yet, you will get left behind by your video-savvy competitors. It'll be like you're trying to advertise on radio while the rest of the world has moved on to television. The big problem is the old traditional video creation process is complicated, expensive, and gut-wrenchingly slow. But as you've just seen, Content Samurai uses the power of artificial intelligence to allow you to create professional videos in a matter of minutes. And with the power of auto voice, there's literally no other software on the planet that can produce quality videos so quickly and easily. In less than 5 minutes from now, you could be watching your first video and putting it to work in your business. Plus, you'll receive our fill-in-the-blank video traffic blueprint pack for free. So join us now and enjoy the incredible feeling of satisfaction that comes from effortlessly producing professional videos with the click of your mouse. But remember, this auto voice special offer is only available until midnight this Friday PST. So to make sure you don't miss out, click the button below and let's get you started.